Hello guys, hope you have a good day, and I have some new unboxing. So self-portrait has a big sale for members, but it is very easy to become a member. Just need to create an account there, and because I've already made a purchase there, they just send me an email that they have a sale. So this is how I knew about this sale, because if you just go on the site, you don't see it, only if you're a member. So I'm so excited. I bought two items there. Only one has arrived for now. Another one is shipped from Great Britain, so it will take more time. From my understanding, this sale is for some old collections, because this jacket, I was searching for it in the past and I couldn't find it anywhere, only pre-owned. I couldn't find it in any department store where self-portrait sales, and then I saw it and there was just plenty of things from old collections. So as you can see, the packaging is different. The box is more simple, made from, sorry, I don't know how to say it. I even have another box to compare. So you see, yes, this is how they ship some new collections without discounts. This is how they ship items from sale. But it doesn't matter. Inside there is a cream belted lace detail jacket. This jacket is quite popular because there is a dress with totally the same top, totally the same jacket, which Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales, has and wore, maybe, if I'm correct, I think in 2022, so last year. So I saw that dress in the past and said, oh wow, this dress so pretty, and I didn't know that the jacket separately exists, and I decided to get a jacket because I can mix it with more things. And the discount for this jacket was crazy, totally crazy. It costs, without discount, $510, and it has, if I'm correct, 70% discount. Oh my god. And it costs only $135. Can you believe, for self-portrait jacket? I have no words. I'm so happy because even now I purchased it 2 days ago. It arrived today, and today I see on the site already my size is sold out, size 2 is sold out, size 4 is sold out. There are only 6, 8 and 10 left, so 3 sizes out of 6 are already sold out. So I thought, oh my god, this is great deal. So I cannot wait. Let's unbox it. Again, some information page. Wow. My husband, always laughs and he watches my video that I'm always like, wow. But this is how I feel. Oh my god. Okay, let's take it out. The quality feels very, very nice. Actually, one good thing about self-portrait, it's especially about the dresses. So I buy size 0, and I am short girl, and normally everything is a little bit long for me. And here it still surprises me how but they say that I just saw it somewhere here, but they say that this is for height 150 centimeters. So all the dresses for me are perfect. They are not like too long, they're just how I see them on the models on the side. So this is a very good thing for short girls. Okay. Oh, I like it so much. You know, I like the details. I always talk about the details. Like, oh, this lace, very beautiful. So also it has belt attached to it. Has they're like this on a magnet. Very comfy. The sleeves. Crazy. I still cannot believe this is 135, and like everything, like with the belts, it's even like separated belt. You can wear it with something else. No words. Okay, let's put the belt. Let's take this from the buttons. Very beautiful. Okay, let's try it on. Well, probably I need to use scissors, but okay, I will do it later. Let's try it on the dress. Oh my god. It shows the waist so amazing. It makes my waist so tiny. Wow. Okay, let's wear the belt now. Oh, I'm so happy with this purchase. Looks so elegant, so classy. This is 1000% my style. And like you can just wear it every day, and you can also wear it somewhere to the restaurant, like for any occasion. Shoulders perfect size. These are fake, and inside, where, okay, let me open it again. Yes, here they have a real pocket, so it's very comfy. Oh, and one more thing. Here they say, do not wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, iron on low temperature, dry, clean only. So I cannot wash it in the washing machine. And the same for my previous white dress. This is how it looks like with jeans. I like it so much. Do you see? Do you see how it just makes my waist so thin and gives like very feminine shape? Also, I think of course it's better to wear something underneath, like a t-shirt, because on the model they show it like it's all open. I think I would better wear something much better and more comfortable wearing t-shirt underneath. So I'm very happy with this purchase, especially for the price I got it. I still cannot believe, like the quality, everything amazing. I really feel like I'm starting to fall in love with self-portrait, and I will definitely consider buying more clothes from this brand. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment below, to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and I hope you all have a great week. See you in the next video. Bye bye.